I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are going to be kind of doing two looks in one because there's kind of a few stages to this final outcome, so stay tuned if you want to see how I got this beautiful rainbow seafoam kind of look. And yeah, if you want to see how I got it, then just keep on watching. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. Let's go! So we're going to start off by using a white gel polish. The one I'm using today is from Madam Glam, and I'll have it linked for you guys in the description box down below. And it is perfect white. There'll also be a 30% off coupon code as well. So I'm going to go ahead and apply 2 coats, making sure to cure each layer for 30 to 60 seconds in an LED lamp. So for today's video and today's look, I am going to be using the neon pigments from Glitter Planet. I'll have those also linked for you guys down below with a coupon code NINJA10 for 10% off your entire order. And yeah, so we have already gone and cured the white gel polish. We haven't done a top coat, so naturally the gel polish is left with a tacky dispersion layer, and that is where we are going to apply our pigments into. So you just want to take a fluffy brush. What I'm using here is a number 10 magic stick, but I haven't used any monomer with it. I've just flicked all the glue out of the hair, and this is how it goes before you wet it with any monomer. So yeah, I find it perfect for burnishing in pigments. So if you can get a spare one, then definitely recommend that for pigments and dusting on glitters and things like that. So I'm just dipping into each glitter that I want to ombre on each nail, and I really wanted to do like a rainbow look, so yeah, that's what I'm going for. Starting off with the neon purple and pink, and just look how scrumptious it looks. Honestly, I literally died and went to heaven when I saw this ombre, and they're so easy to create. Like, there's no trying to blend 2 gel polishes together or trying to blend 2 acrylics together. Literally just paint your white base or whatever base you want, and then come straight in with the pigments. And obviously you don't have to do a rainbow pigment. You could just choose 2 of the colours and have a nice pink and purple set and add some glitter as well. But today I really wanted to do something magical and beautiful, so we're going to go through the entire collection and just ombre them on. So it's exactly the same process, just making sure to blend them nicely in the middle and really burnish it in with your big fluffy brush. I think that's very important when burnishing in pigments, to have a nice fluffy brush. So yeah, let's go and do that, and then I'll be back later on in the video. Okay, so this is the final look after burnishing in all of the pigments, and I had to take a few pictures like this for my Instagram because honestly it looked bomb matte, but I knew that I had to top coat it for the next stage. So I'm coming in with a no wipe top coat, and then I'm going to cure that for the full amount of time of 60 seconds in an LED lamp, and then we'll be back for the next stage of this look. But this is kind of the first look that you could totally rock. You could add crystals or glitter over the top, but we're going to move on to the second look of the video, and yeah, you will be blown away because it's freaking stunning. Obviously you've already seen it from the thumbnail and the beginning, but honestly I absolutely love how it turned out. So for the first stage, you want to make sure after you've cured that top coat to come in with a white buffing block and just remove the shine. You want to remove the shine because we're going to go over the top with a white gel polish, and this is just going to make sure that that adheres to the next layer that's underneath it. If you went straight onto that shiny top coat, you would have peeling and these nails would not last at all. So yeah, it's vitally important that you remove that shine. So you're going to apply a nice thin layer of white acrylic. You don't have to use white, you can use whatever colour you want over the top. It would look cool in so many different colours, but I really wanted to try white this time round. And before curing, you want to take a dotting tool and some top coat, just pop it out onto some backing foam or something like that, or a palette, and just simply dot your clear top coat into the white gel polish before you cure it. Continue that process on all of the nails, and this is the kind of look that you get. It just looks so stunning and so beautiful, and the longer that you leave that top coat to spread out, the more obviously larger those kind of air pockets or seafoam bubbles become. So it just looks honestly absolutely stunning. So yeah, I'm going to continue that process throughout the So yes, I'm going to continue that process throughout the whole set, and then I'll be back to show you guys the final result. So this is an optional step, but I decided to use some silver gel paint and just do a nice cuff around the cuticle area, only because it looked a little bit messy. There's bits that I'd missed with the top coat on the first round, and it has sort of taken away the pigment, so I wanted to kind of tidy that area up. You could also go around and do some crystals and some glitter or something really fancy, but I wanted to keep it quite simple. I just cured that gel paint in the light, and then I'm coming in with some no wipe top coat over the entire set, and then I'll show you guys the final result after adding some cuticle oil to nourish my cuticles and skin around the nails. Always vitally important to do that to keep up your beautiful cuticle area and make sure everything looks bomb. So yeah, this is the final result. Honestly guys, it was so mesmerizing to continuously just stare at. It was beautiful, and I absolutely love it. Let me know what you think in the description, obviously not, in the comments down below. And as always, I'll see you in my next video, guys. And please always remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anyone tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye.
I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.